English. Afternoon everyone, welcome back to poleak&tonethvlog. Today we have a special bike. Normally we do on mountain bike, and we have a rare road bike in this country. Now the owner of this shop would love to change the crankset. Yeah, the crankset from the 53 T's of this crankset to 52 crankset, but 105 by Ultegra 52 chain rings. So after we convert this bicycle, and then we're gonna do the bicycle riding to taste how it's feeling, how it fast, and how it works. So because normally we can change only the chain ring, but this one is not work properly, so we change the whole crankset from what is it?
Proactive.
Proactive, yeah.
Proactive.
Proactive. So this one from the carbon, which we convert to the aluminum crankset of 105. Okay, let's see our video and how we change, how we convert this one. Thank you. Tools. We have these tools, number 8, and then we put inside here, and the way we take off, we take from here to the back side.
That we need to moving forward to move the crank arm out. Proactive.
Proactive. Oh, I can't pronounce my English. Okay, how we take off? It's easy. Yeah. Take the chain off. It's easy. And then how it's raised.
Okay, now I use my feeling to know about the weight of this one. So this one is proactive. Yeah. Okay, this one it is heavier, but I guess because this one it is just a Shimano crank arm of 105, so that's why it heavier. But if we use this group set of Ultegra crank arm also Ultegra, I think that it will be lighter. And this one very good idea that convert from the crank arm of 105 with the
Crankset
chain ring of Ultegra. Some way of saving money for the budget rider. So we will put it up and then let's check it all together how it works. Because you see here, we need to cut something to make it possible to put it together. So let's check it out. ăn đâu cái đàn đấy không?
Đây được.
Anh đi tặng tròn.
Mình kiếm phay buồn được phay pi này. Ăn đây là ngay.
Okay, now we do it. Okay, it's a press fit, and this one is adapter. That one for the throw from the Sram. We need adapter to use if this one is working. But now we use this one with the 105. We don't need the adapter, so we just take it off and then we just put it in here. Okay.
Cười.
Cái gì đây?
Rong, còn rong.
Lông. Số đó là gì? Đang như miệt gì vậy? Đang miệt lông này. Đây là press fit đấy.
Đó bông biển mà. Crop biển nó rồi những quả. Thun xíu. Đi về. Ca.
Cho mày mơ plop đây. Mày vào chốt món này.
Tầng.
Hả? Tầng mà về này. Tầng mà bòi đã lần number one này, tầng này. Here, open the door. I'm going to race today. After I'm convert to 105. Okay, guys. Now we're done with the converting of the bicycle cranksets from throw wheels to 105. I did the test already. It now works very well, and hope tomorrow morning my boss he enjoy very much with his bicycle with his team, and then he's supposed to get the number one tomorrow morning. Okay?
Yay! Tea and coffee and the golden lion. Check it out.